Here at Truck Access Plus, we do the bed covers and running boards. These are the two essentials for your new pickup. So you can do the 4-inch black. These go with any truck. The matte black matches great with any color. It's a good functional step for you and the family to get in. For plenty of stepping space. They bolt on, it's a simple install. The bed covers, we provide many styles. This is a great roll-up cover. You can get the full bed access, so it doesn't limit your functionality. You can actually use the truck. You can drive with it all the way strapped open, so if you need to haul and fill the bed up, you're able to do so. Visit Truck Access Plus. We provide great functionality products for your pickup. Quick install while you wait. We're here in Phoenix, or you can shop online, truckaccessplus.com.